Morning Mrs. Osborne, welcome to SMC Ford in Gravesend. My name is Lewis, I'm a technician working on your vehicle today. Just carried out a complimentary health check and there's a couple of things I need to just show underneath your car. Starting with the driver's side front tyre, this tread depth gauge is what you use to measure your tread. Has worn to around 4.5mm. Legal limit is 1.6 in the UK, so you still have a little bit of life left in your tyre. Looking at your brake discs as well, the measurement is around 22.6. The minimum on this disc is around 21, so it's still well above spec. Also looking at your brake pads, this is what you use to measure your brake pads. Simply pop it on there and take a measurement off. It has worn to around 10mm, so it's still in very good condition. I'll just show you a colour scheme on that. So this is what we use, starting at 2mm here, all the way up to 12mm just here. So yours are worn to around 10mm, which is just there, and in comparison to the lowest depth, as you can see, you still have plenty of material left on your brake pads. Looking over the rest of your suspension components, this is your lower arm here. Just checking the ball joint gaiter inside here, just for any signs of splits, leaks or damage on that rubber boot, it's all okay. Also looking at the constant velocity joint just here, and the inner one just down here as well, it's all in good condition. Also looking at your shock absorber, which is this component here, just checking for any leaks just around the spring cup here, it's all in good condition. And the coil spring at the top, just checking for any corrosion or damage. Across this side, just checking your trap end ball joint gaiter, same thing, just checking for any splits, leaks or damage. Also looking at your trap arm for any free play, and particularly any play in the ball joint as well, it's all in good condition. And looking at your steering rack gaiter as well, for any signs of splits or insecurity, it's all in good condition. Also looking at your drop link here and the top part of the drop link up here as well, that's all okay. Also looking at your brake hose for any signs of damage or leaking, it's all in good condition, and particularly where it goes into the caliper here. Looking underneath your engine, checking for any signs of leaks around your oil filter housing or around the sump, as all in good condition. As you can see, it's all very dry under here. Carried out the same inspection on the near side, which is passenger side, checking the lower arm, travelling further up, all the way to the coil spring at the top there is all in good condition. Tyre on this side has also worn to around 4.5mm. Travelling to the rear, looking at your exhaust system, just checking for general condition of the underside of the body as well, it's all in good condition. Also checking your heat shields for security and damage, it's all in good condition. And the back one here as well, this is your exhaust back box, as you can see, all nice condition here. Okay, on driver's side rear, looking at your shock absorber here for any signs of leaks or damage just from up here and leaking down, that's all in good condition. And checking your coil spring here, particularly inside the spring cup where the water is sit, just checking for any corrosion or damage, it's all in good condition. Also looking at the back of the wheel cylinder, checking for any leaks and just checking for any binding as well. As you can see, it's all nice and free. Tyre tread depth on this side has worn to around 6mm, so that's all in good condition. Across the other side, carried out the same inspection on the suspension components. This is your shock absorber and your coil spring, it's all in good condition. Also checking any of your brake lines back here as well, it's all in good condition, and no signs of any leaks from the back of the wheel cylinder as well, that's all okay. Tyre on this side also around the 6mm mark. So that concludes the visual health check. A couple of other things to mention. Also carried out inspection of the washers, lights, levels and wipers on the vehicle. They're all in good working order. Your service advisor will be in contact with you shortly. I'd like to say thank you for using SMC Ford. Have a lovely day.